What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at 64,970,000, so we have touched that 65,000 mark. It's been hovering over that mark for the past couple of hours. We have seen a gradual shift in price over the past few days. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is trading in this upward like wedge channel. It is possible this channel typically indicates a more bearish outlook just for the foreseeable future on the 1 hour chart. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 2 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 2 touch points. As seen drawn in the channel with the green marker, that is my prediction on what the price can do next. I do believe we could hit that top trend line before making our way back down. We could go parabolic, we could dip even further. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict, a lot of big things going on in the world of economics for Bitcoin's price to remain volatile. It will continue to remain volatile either way. There is a push for the Clarity Act to get done soon. That could have an effect on Bitcoin's price. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour chart analysis. I do want to show you guys a 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading history. As you can see on Bitcoin's 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is trading at currently 64,783,000. So it has been hovering around that 65,000 mark. So we have seen an increase in price again. On the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is trading in this sort of downward channel like wedge, falling channel like wedge. On the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 3 touch points. This particular pattern indicates a more bullish outlook. So on the 1 hour chart, we've seen that upward trend, which usually is considered a more bearish outlook. But on the 4 hour chart, which actually zooms out and gives you a more extensive history of Bitcoin's trading activity, which in retrospect is actually a better way to determine what Bitcoin's price can do, especially on the especially since you zoom out. When you zoom out on the chart more from the 1 hour to the 4 hour to the weekly, you get a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's price. I do believe over the long term we do see an increase in price. That top arrow suggests that we could go parabolic, breaking that top trend line. That bottom arrow suggests we can break that top bottom trend line and dip even further. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions pertaining to Bitcoin, the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my 1 hour and 4 hour chart analysis. Do you guys use the same patterns? Are you using other indicators to view your technical analysis? Let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.